Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, our district head of the Right One District, Ma'am Cristita T. Marabot, our secondary school principal, Ma'am Maria Teresa C. Nacionales, together with the school heads of Right One District, Ma'am Sol Palacio of Binarog Integrated School, Ma'am Roquesa Gabon of Balbagan Elementary School, Ma'am Arlene Mabaw of San Isidro Elementary School, and Maria Corazon Capagalan of Cantago Elementary School. To our faculty members, our dear students, everyone present here today, it is with great honor and sincere privilege that I stand before you to introduce our esteemed guest speaker, whose academic excellence, professional competence, and exemplary leadership truly embody the values of service, dedication, and passion for community development. He is a proud Paranasnon and an epitome of resilience and hard work, a dreamer and a believer with strong sense of purpose to serving the community. Our guest speaker started his academic journey at Tigbawon Elementary School from 2009 to 2015. He then pursued his secondary education here at Wright National High School, Junior High, from 2015 to 2019. He then took up general academic strand in his senior high school year from 2019 to 2021. With a desire to earn a college diploma, he enrolled in Summer State University main campus and took up Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics from 2021 to 2025. He is a committed public health advocate and a dynamic young professional specializing in nutrition and dietetics. His journey reflects not only academic achievement but also a deep commitment to improving the health and well-being of communities. He has built a strong foundation in his profession through diverse and intensive practicum experiences. In addition to his professional training, our guest speaker has also actively engaged in national level training programs. He completed intensive training under the Department of Science and Technology, Food and Nutrition Research Institute, where he developed expertise in standardized nutrition assessment and dietary data collection. He also completed Filipino Brand of Service Excellence Training, enhancing his skills in communication, empathy, and service-oriented leadership. These are qualities that are essential in both healthcare and education sectors. What makes our guest speaker even more remarkable is his exceptional leadership journey. He served as the president of the Nutrition and Dietetics Program student organization for 2 consecutive academic years, where he demonstrated outstanding leadership in program development, peer mentorship, and collaborative initiatives. His dedication earned him recognition as an outstanding student leader, a testament to his ability to inspire and lead with purpose. His leadership extended further as an active member and officer of the University Student Council, where he was recognized as one of the top outstanding student leaders for his excellence in governance and organizational management. He also served as president of the Kati Tirok Youth Camp, showcasing his skills in project management and youth empowerment, and actively participated in various youth advocacy groups, promoting public health awareness, adolescent health, and community engagement. Our guest speaker's commitment to service is deeply rooted in his involvement in disaster risk reduction and community outreach programs. He has contributed to the development of information, education, and communication materials that promote public safety and emergency preparedness, proving that this dedication goes beyond the classroom and echoing it into the heart of the community. His excellence has also been recognized through numerous achievements. Among these are being named an outstanding leader, a top-performing student council officer, and even being crowned SSU Festival Queen 2024, highlighting not only his intellect and leadership, but also his confidence and well-rounded personality. Throughout his academic journey, he has consistently demonstrated academic excellence as an honor student. In the completion of his bachelor's degree in nutrition and dietetics at SSU, he honed skills and prepared himself to become a competent and compassionate professional in the field. At kapapasok lang na balita, our guest speaker will soon start his mission as a newly appointed Instructor 1 of Summer State University this first week of April. Indeed, our guest speaker is a shining example of what it means to be a leader, a professional, and a servant of the community. His story is one of perseverance, excellence, and purpose, a story that will surely inspire us all today. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride and admiration that I present to you our distinguished guest speaker, a registered nutritionist dietitian. Let us all give a warm and enthusiastic round of applause to Darcy G. Bacayta.
Thank you very much, sir, for that very overwhelming introduction. Grabe kinulba ako. Mas makulba ang pag-introduce ako ng akong message later. Pero thank you, sir. Of course, good morning, everyone! Maupay nga aga. Happy po ba kita? Take your seat na, take your seat. Thank you very much. Grabe, nakaka-overwhelm. Happy? Yes, dapat lang. Dapat igwawaratan ng negativities. Kaya this day is a very special day for you and for your family. I-treasure niyo ini nga feeling, ini nga moment, kay talagsaon na ini. My high respect to the school principal of Wright National High School, Ma'am Maria Teresa Nacionales. Good morning, ma'am. To our assistant school principal designate, Sir Ramon Season Jr. Good morning, sir. To our confirming officer, School Division Superintendent, Dr. Moises D. Labian Jr. And to you, District Head, Ma'am Cristita Marabot. Good morning, ma'am. To our dear parents, kan nanay, kan tatay, kan ate, kan kuya nga nagpakananay, kan tatay, kan ninong, kan ninang, kan tita or kan tita nga nagpapakamama, kan papa, good morning. To our dear teachers, faculties, teaching and non-teaching staffs, good morning. And most importantly, ang mga bida sa araw na ito, to you graduates, good morning. Alright. So before anything else, karagurag yakan nga, you are so lucky. Kaya nagkamay ada ka mo yung graduation. Kaya amon panahon, nagka-COVID. Grade 11, nagka-COVID, tapos nag-lockdown, wari na po kayo makagraduate. Naguhulat na lang kami announcement online. So ganito ka-upay ang among graduation last 2021. So you are so lucky yan kay face-to-face, may nakamot chance, karaw to na niyo diploma personal, and makig-shake hands sa niyo favorite teachers, ang mga teachers nga bumulig na iyo. So happy ba? Again, correct, dapat lang kay, di ba talagsaon na ini? Before anything else, I want to recognize the parents who are here today, kanda nanay and tatay, to all the mothers and fathers. Thank you for all your sacrifices, your sleepless nights, ang mga una nga naging teacher, ang mga una nga tumapod, ang ira mga anak. Correct. Congratulations! Ha iyo nga tanan. Anila, naglalagit ako script. Thank you for all the sacrifices. Everything your children achieve is also a reflection of your hard work, your patience, and your unending support. So, palakpakan taanin nato mga kag-anak, kada ate, kada kuya, damo ka salamat. Of course, kay ini nga adlaw, this is not my day, this is your day. So I want to take a moment to talk ha mga bida sa araw na ito, to you graduates. So ready na mamati, okay lang, makalay yung mga 8 pages. Sares, okay lang. Mabuti na, gugutiyon ka lang, haliputon ko lang. So let me start with something unexpected. Hindi lahat ng nandito ngayon ay magtatagumpay. Diri tanan nga aadiya na magiging successful. Diri tanan nga aadiya na magdadaog ha kinabuhi. Not everyone in this room will reach their dreams. Not everyone will make it to where they once imagined themselves to be. Some of you will get lost. Some of you will fail hard. Some of you will question everything you believe in. And that is the truth. No one tells you on graduation day. Ito ang realidad nga diri ginyaya ka na iyuhan mga graduation guest speaker every during graduation day. But here's the part they also don't tell you. The ones who rise, the ones who make history, are not the ones who never failed. They are the ones who chose to continue anyway. Today, it's not just about medals, honors, or applause. It's about surviving every silent battles you never posted online. It's about the nights you doubted yourself, the moments you almost gave up, and the times you felt invisible. Yet here you are, standing, strong and victorious, just like the song says, "Long live all the mountains we moved." Think about that. Those mountains were not easy exams or simple challenges. What do I mean by this? Adto nga mga mountains nga akong ginayakan, diri adto ano yung mga simple la, ang mga easy lang nga exams. Those are your expectations. Ang imo dako nga expectation na imo kalugaringon. The pressure to become someone even when you didn't know who you were yet. The fear of failure. Ang kahadlok magkamali. Ang kahadlok mag-try, ang kahadlok mag-take risk. Pero lumaban ka, umato ka, nagdaog ka, that's why you are here today. You are not just graduates. Di lang ako basta graduate na. Ay, graduate ako, okay lang. Graduate ako. Graduate la ako. Diri ka mo basta graduate la. You are a living proof that resilience creates miracles. One day, you will look back at this very moment not because it was perfect, but because this was the moment you chose courage over fear. Ginpili mo ang courage over ang imo kahadlok. That's why you are here today. And I hope when that day comes, you remember this. Hindi mo kailangang maging perfecto para magtagumpay. Diri mo kailangan maging perfect para maging successful. Ngan mas lalong diri mo kailangan maging perfect para maging dating. You just need to be brave enough to keep going. There will come a time when the world will try to forget you. Even your friends, your best friends, ano yung mga kasangkayan niya na, who knows, kung sangkay pa nato nira, hapag college, or 5 years from now, 10 years from now, dili kita maaraw kung sangkay pa nato nira, tanan magbabago. Your efforts will go unnoticed. Ano yung mga efforts, at yung mga ginihimo, dili ito mapapansin. When your dreams will feel too far away. But when that happens, I want you to remember this line. When that time happens, pag itong natabo nga situation nga kalimtan na ka mo, ano yung effort, dili na notice, at iyo dreams feeling nyo hararayo, makuri maabot, I want you to remember this line. I had the time of my life fighting dragons with you. Because life will give you dragons. What are the dragons of your life? Ano ang mga dragons sa iyong kinabuhi? Those are your failures, rejections, heartbreaks, and setbacks. But you are not weak. Dili ka mo weak. Alam na alam ko, dili ka mo weak. Mga palabanan atong generation. Kay bisan makuri, ginkakaya. Biskan, feeling naton harayo, magbabaktas na la para hingadtuan. You are not weak. You were trained by every challenge that brought you here today. That's why you are here today. Kay gin-train ka mo tanan nga challenges, included ang iyong exams, ang iyong school works, ang pagmatahan ka agahon, bisan mapiraw pa, tanan nga sakripisyo, tanan ito nanonotice, hit iba, okay? So, you were trained enough by every challenge. That is why you are here today. So, go out there, dream bigger, fail forward. At kung mapakdol ka man, buhat dayon. Kung nadapa ka, tayo, buhat, bangon, ng mas matapang, mas matibay at mas determinado. What if, Ate Darcy, mag-fail ako? What if mag-fail ako, nahadlok ako maging failure at akong kinabuhi? That's normal. If you fail, try again. And if you fail again, do it again. Remember that you can always begin, no matter your age, your city, your identity, your job, or whatever season of your life you are in, you can always rewrite your story. Huwag na huwag kayong matatakot mangarap. Kay iyo iton. Ang mga ginyayakan ha iyon nga, ang ibang tao, diri ito ang magdidikta kung ano it magiging future mo. Ikaw mismo ang magbubuot, ikaw ang naghihimo ang imo tadhana. Ang imo dream, nga ang imo kabubuason kung ano man ang imo gusto maging ikaw pagkabuwas. So do not be afraid to dream big. Dream as high as you can. Dream as far as you can go. Huwag na huwag kayong matatakot mangarap. Kaya your dreams have no limitations. Ngan mas lalong waray expiration in pangarap. Whether you aspire to be a doctor, a lawyer, nurse, engineer, architect, teacher or educator, dietitian or a politician, remember that your dreams can positively impact our community, our country, and the world as a whole. And one day, when you finally reach your dreams, when you stand at the top of your own mountains, I hope you look back and say, long live the walls we crashed through. Long live the risk you took. Long live the courage you chose. Long live the version of you who refused to quit. This is not the end of your story. Di matatapos ang iyong kwento. Dadamo pa nga tuig, sano ka hingad to, kano naman iyo maging gusto ang kinabuhi. You are allowed to dream big. Waray itong may nagnuno nga, ay ayaw pangarapin mas matayong at mataas. Ikaw it magbubuot kung ano it imong pangarap. This is the moment of your legend begins. So go and write a life that is worth remembering. Make mistakes, that is normal. Okay lang magkamali. Okay lang magsala. Waray karapatan liwat ang iba para i-judge ka nga nagsala ka. Meaning to say, tao ka. Diri ka perfect. Diri ako perfect. Diri ma'am perfect. Diri waray perfect ka ato tanan kung diri ganla. So waray it kada usa karapatan para mag-judge haimo nga nagsala ka. That is very normal. Make history. Make your younger self proud. Risk it for the plot. Risk it for the younger version of yourself who never thought you would make it this far. It is the risks we take that makes us feel alive. As long as you are alive, you can start over until you reach the limit. Pero of course, in the process of pursuing your dreams, you also have to take care of yourself. Importante ang iyong pangarap, importante ang iyong career, importante ang iyong pamilya, pero ang mas importante, ikaw. Ikaw ang mas importante. So before ka bumulig it iyong kag-anak, before mo maabot ang iyong mga pangarap, you have to help yourself. Dili mo mabubuligan itong pamilya. Dili mo maaabot ang iyong mga pangarap kung dili mo anay bubuligan it iyong kalugarinon. Tama ba? Yes, when you are still in the process of pursuing your dreams, you have to help yourself and you have to take care of yourself. Namamati ba? Yes. Very alive. I love it. So listen, graduates. Wherever life takes you, always remember, there will come a day when you look back at this very moment. The cheers, the smiles, the tears, and you will realize this was the moment of your life you felt most alive. Ini ang ang face ang imo life, ang stage ang imo life na mafe-feel mo nga nag-enjoy ako na akong pagiging bata, na akong pagiging estudyante. Ini nga face ang imo life, di mo may experience nga feeling mo buhi ka. Feeling mo everyday, magbamata ka, happy, mauli, tingay eskwelahan, happy. Tama ba? Happy ba? Oh, happy ko nung hira, ma'am. Di ka nga school. Upaya nga happy, ha? Yes, this was one of the times you felt most alive. So go out there and make your mark. Be bold. Be fearless. Be kind. And never forget where you started. Because one day, people will tell your story too. And when they do, let them say, long live all the magic we made. And when the world asks who you are, stand tall and say, I am someone who did not give up. Long live your dreams, long live your courage, and long live the legacy you are about to create. Muli po, I am and will forever be proud to be Darcy Gabriel Bakaykay, daughter of a housekeeper mother and a fisherman father, the first board pastor in our family, the first dietitian in our community, and beyond any title, never ever underestimate the power of your dreams, no matter how small they may seem. Because one day, your story, just like mine, will become someone else's reason to keep going. And when that day comes, stand tall, look back, and say it with pride. I made it. Not just for myself, but for everyone who believed in me and for those who are still learning to believe in themselves. Congratulations, graduates. Congratulations, class of 2026. Always remember, your future self and the world is waiting for you. Thank you very much, and may God bless us all.
Once again, that was our guest speaker, Miss Darcy Bakaykay. Give her another round of applause, please.